Hello, today, as promised, we are going to the south of the island, Uluwatu. I have in a plan some 3-4 points to visit, some good viewpoints, some nice beaches and also some cliffs. And so yeah, we'll show you around. So that's our plan. We're leaving from Chandidasa now. Most probably we are a little bit late now. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. And it will take some time to get there, but I will be able to show you a lot of beautiful places. And the day finally is beautiful. 3 previous days being pretty rainy and cloudy. Today, that's the sky. Looks amazing. See you in Uluwatu. If you are missing milk products here in Bali, there are actually a couple of shops. One is in Uluwatu, one is here in, what is this one? This one is Uluwatu area. You can get a proper milk, not the one which is in a packs with a really low fat percentage. This one is a good one. That comes from, I think they transported somewhere from Java. And then they're making all these products like cottage cheese, yogurt, different things you can get here. First point, Karangboma Cliff. Beautiful coastline and beautiful cliff. It was really nice. I think it's, again, that's advantage of having a drone, that you can see it better, because you're looking down. It's amazing. but when you can fly, so then it looks absolutely differently. A very popular place, a lot of people coming here. Next stop, Thomas Beach. Here we have already more people, and looks like it's a pretty popular place. The map says from the main street it's about 300-meter walk.
Давид, так, придем в Бали еще раз повторим. А как тебе идейка?
Hey.
Wait right there, pin up Paulo, wait right there guys, hold. Finish. Let the girl up fast.
Excuse me. That's how the place looks like. Steps down. The guy just kindly explained me that this one is a Thomas Beach and next one is Padang Padang, so they are kind of connected. It's really hard to say where is Padang Padang and where is it Thomas, but I think it doesn't really matter. There are some buildings straight on a beach, really close to the water. Also abandoned in these 2 years. Looks like a surfer's place as well. But yeah, anyways. That's how it looks like. Small, beautiful beach. I don't know, there are no waves, so maybe they bring that surface by boat somewhere, a little bit out. I have no idea, but if you're looking for some little bit remote place to chill out, which is smaller and less busy as Kuta Legian Canggu, beautiful, really narrow but white sand, and you don't have to walk far in to get to the deeper water. That's the advantage of this place. Another spot, Suluban Beach. It's like quite a distance to the beach. Not quite a distance, I mean for the girls. It's about maybe 200 meters. The steps are really okay, big, solid, cleaned, so you can see that people take care about this place. A small bridge. That's the beach. Here we go. Looks like we're using the same guide, right? Same guide.
This place is unreal.
It is. Yeah. Halo, apa kabar? Bagus kamu. I definitely recommend to visit this place. It's really interesting. You can see some surface surfing, nice entrance to the beach. This is already all the cafes around this cliff where you can sit and look at the beach, at the surface, grab a board, go surf, come back, eat. Another attempt to fly around Garuda Monument. That's where it is. It's a better light, and this drone, I'm pretty sure, will have a good signal, so it will allow to fly around it properly. It's enough footage for one episode. On the next episode then I will make a video about what Laura been filming during her macro sessions. Also I did really nice long dive from pyramids all the way up to Gemelot Beach. We did a sign mount with a little decompression together with Sergey. It was a great dive. Both of us, we enjoyed it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video. Must be a good video, right? And see you on the next one. Bye.